Girl, shut up. You in my business. Don't do that. Eat your little Chinese food.
Like a waterfall.
Smell like an empty bottle.
What's up, guys? I am back with another video. It is your girl, Z to the Y to the I to the A-H. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all, this sound like it's hitting. I don't know what this video gonna be, and I don't know what this video gonna be about, but I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to whatever and whenever. Okay, you guys, we are at the mall.
I ain't say you can vlog.
You guys, so yeah.
I didn't say you can vlog.
Well, I'm vlogging. Say hi.
But look at it's the
Say hey,
for
mama.
me.
I know, right? I had peeled it off because I don't know what that was. Zanet, say hey.
Yay, what?
Say hey.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. At the mall, so
It's cold.
we finna go inside. So yeah. Okay, guys, we are in the mall. Oh, whatever. Y'all look at this beautiful
You about to
thing.
get cut.
$75% off.
This time, look, body wash, and you can foam it into stuff. You saw it on TikTok. Well, I'm pretty sure this one.
Now what you want to make it into something for?
This one.
I don't like that.
It smells good. That smells good. Ooh, I love that color. You put spray it in the top, mama.
You ain't supposed to do that.
Okay.
So whatever you use spoon.
It's ready. Some back over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah, I know, right? Smell like an empty bottle. Like an empty bottle or something you done bought. White jasmine smell good. I like that one.
Ooh. I think it's the hand sanitizer kit.
Why you put it upside down?
I put it upside down.
Tommy, you're supposed to hang and you're supposed to squeeze it.
Like this. Oh, that's too lovely. Yada, 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 yada. You recording? Hey, y'all.
Well, let's go to the candles.
I'm fine. How about you? Alright.
Oh, they got cards. So, you guys, we are out of Bath and Body Works. We are finna go get us something to eat because we are hungry. Right, mama? Let me see you walk. Look at the shirt. Among Us shirt. Stop playing with us. I'm gonna get to y'all when we get to the food place. Okay, guys, so we sitting down and I got some cookies. He got some cookies. Ooh, my God, try one?
Huh.
Yeah, because that's all thick. What my juice?
Where's that cookie?
He does sprinkle a chocolate syrup.
Oh, crunchy and good.
Alright, let's go up this.
No,
Can I try it? Let me try it.
Let me show you here. It's veggies in it.
Ew. Y'all look at that. Ew.
It's good.
That's nasty. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the car when we eat and when we get in the car because we ain't eating in here. Well, I ain't eating in here. Okay, you guys, we are in the car. Let me put on my hands sanitizer. Come on, Mama, be
right
here. Here go one.
Here go what?
But you
Give
can
me
barely
that.
push it.
Give me near mine.
Ooh! Ooh!
You ain't even put nothing on it. Why you? That look like a hot dog from. That look like a bun from home. That don't even look like a.
Oh, it's soft though. It's soft. Baby, stop playing with them.
That dog looks so nasty.
Girl, shut up. You in my business. Don't do that. Eat your little Chinese food.
Oh,
Baby.
that smells stink.
Yeah, like your breath. Stop talking.
Let me put on my bed.
You need it on because you probably got cramp. Oh my God, my shirt is dirty.
Come off of that shirt right now.
Okay, well, I'm finna eat because I'm hungry.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God. Stop, y'all. Y'all are being mean. Eat. Ugly.
Yeah, please let me get up here.
I need a wipe. Why they ain't give me no napkin?
Slip and slide like a waterfall.
So you guys, now that I'm done with my hot dog, I'm finna try the cookie. Don't! I didn't even eat it that fast. Okay, you guys, it took me a long time to eat that hot dog for real. Okay, so I'm gonna try to
If you don't see a hot dog up there, don't get it. It's gonna take 20 minutes for one hot dog. Now, if you see a hot dog up there, you can
I like this one. Chocolate chip one. Yeah, my mama jealous. Well, you guys, I will see y'all in a minute. Okay, you guys, I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, we about to go in Dollar General, so yeah. Okay, so she looking over here. I'm finna go get some soda that my mama want me to get from the store. Okay, where's the soda? Did I pass it? Where's the soda? Here what? Crush right here. Crush. Somebody give me a bag of chips or something. Or a piece of candy. So yeah, I'm probably getting me these because I really like these straw things. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the car because my hands is full. Okay guys, I am home and yeah, that's it for today's vlog because it's getting late or whatever, and you know I gotta go to sleep for school and all that. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn you guys post notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, your girl is out, your girl is tired and all that. Bye.